this video, we will be showing you how to assemble your new SRFIVE bike. Based on the size of bike you ordered, packaging may differ. In this video, the bike comes with the rear wheel installed, but don't worry, we will cover how to install the rear wheel also. Start off by opening the box. You'll notice that your bike has been neatly packed for shipping. Take out any excessive packing. Then take out the seat post and wheels. Every bike will come with a small parts bag. In the bag, you'll receive a confirmation letter, a torque wrench, rubber grommets, and a Di2 battery charger. Next, take out the bike and place the fork over the front of the box. We will then attach the Di2 wire to the seat post. When connecting the wire, make sure you use the Di2 tool. You will hear an audible click when the wire is in place. Next, locate your seat post wedge. When installing the seat post, place the wedge in and make sure the wire is free from getting pinched. Then tighten the wedge down using an Allen wrench. You will then torque it down to the recommended torque spec. Next, take out the fork axle spacer using a 4mm Allen wrench. Then remove the brake caliper spacer. When removing the wheel protectors, make sure to not remove the hub end caps. When installing the rear wheel, line up the chain with the highest gear cog on your cassette and install the wheel from below. Then slide the through axle in and tighten down using the through axle lever. We will then lift the bike out of the box to install the front wheel. Slide the front wheel into the fork dropouts and line up the disc brake with the brake caliper. Then slide the axle in and tighten it using a 4mm Allen wrench. Next, we will remove any extra packing that is on the bike. When doing so, make sure to not scratch the frame. Once you've checked everything, you are ready to ride.